Welcome aboard, cruisers, and thank you for joining our daily Cruise Hive news updates. We have a good number of stories for you today, with 5 updates as Carnival Cruise Line adjusts loads of departure times, old friends go viral on Royal Caribbean cruise, celebrity offloading 2 cruise ships, Royal Caribbean itinerary change, and we also have another huge story to follow. So join us as we delve fully into all these updates, brought to you directly from cruisehive.com. Royal Caribbean International has released a behind-the-scenes video for Utopia of the Seas, highlighting the installation of the Ultimate Abyss slide. This new version of the popular slide, which is 259 feet long, 43 feet longer than its predecessor, is the longest dry slide at sea. The slide features transparent racing windows for ocean views and zoom booster rollers for extra speed. It is being assembled at the Chantier de Atlantique shipyard in Saint-Nazaire in France. Utopia of the Seas will debut from Port Canaveral on July the 19th, offering 3 and 4 night cruises to the Bahamas, including stops at Nassau and Royal Caribbean's private island, Perfect Day at Coco Cay. Lifelong friends Christine Akins and Kim Nadia have become TikTok sensations with their Royal Caribbean cruise videos. On a recent 80s themed cruise to the Bahamas aboard Mariner of the Seas, the duo's antics shared by Akers' daughter Leah went viral on March the 27th. One clip humorously depicting a faux kidnapping during a shore excursion has garnered over 600,000 views. In reality, no kidnapping occurred, and the good-humoured ladies were perfectly safe. The cruise departed from Port Canaveral, Florida on February the 29th. Royal Caribbean's themed cruises continue to delight passengers, with more exciting voyages planned for 2025. Lindblad Expeditions is set to acquire 2 Celebrity Cruises ships, the 48-guest Celebrity Expedition and the 16-guest Celebrity Exploration, doubling its Galapagos deployments. Announced on June the 12th, the purchase will finalise in January 2025. Post-renovations, the ship will join Lindblad's existing fleet, including the National Geographic Endeavour 2 and Islander 2. Bookings opened late June 2024, with new ship names to be revealed. Financial terms of the deal were not disclosed. Royal Caribbean International has announced changes to the itinerary of its upcoming Mexican cruise aboard Navigator of the Seas, departing from Los Angeles on June the 14th. Due to berthing constraints in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, port calls have been swapped, with Mazatlan now scheduled for June the 17th and Puerto Vallarta on June the 18th. The alteration offers passengers ample time to enjoy each destination. Royal Caribbean assures automatic rescheduling of pre-booked shore excursions. However, passengers must handle arrangements for private excursions. Additionally, guests with mobility issues are advised of tender accessibility concerns in Cabo San Lucas on June the 16th. Carnival Cruise Line has announced new departure times for several of its ships, impacting over 70 sailings in 2024. Carnival Paradise, departing from Tampa in Florida, will now set sail at 3:30 p.m. instead of 4 p.m. from July the 4th through October 14th and October 24th through December 28th, as well as all sailings in 2025 and 26. Carnival Sunshine, homeported in Charleston in South Carolina, will now depart at 3:30 p.m. instead of 4 p.m. on cruises from July the 1st through November 28th and December 12th through December 30th, affecting 37 sailings. Carnival Radiant, sailing from Long Beach in California, will now leave at 4 p.m. instead of 5 p.m. on cruises from July the 1st through September 6th, September 27th through October 4th, October 27th through November 22nd, and December 15th through December 30th, impacting 36 sailings. These adjustments are necessary to ensure timely departures and efficient operations, and guests should adjust their travel plans accordingly. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.